Hi and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2017 4 Series 420D M Sport Coupe. The vehicle is presented in the ever popular Alpine White. It does of course feature the full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. We've also added a set of the brand new 20-inch 405 M style alloys that feature 4 brand new tyres. You will see it's a facelift model, so we get those very sharp LED headlamps. Down the side of the car you'll see it's a very nicely presented car. Also features BMW's gloss black air breathers. We've added the gloss black sidebars alongside a set of satin side vinyls. The interior works really nicely in combination with a lighter exterior colour. It's a full black Dakota leather with the M highlights. By M highlights you will see there you get the M tricolour along with blue stitching throughout, and you do get heated front seats. This is a 6-speed manual. In the rear there you'll see a Isofix rear bench with a folding armrest, and again everything has been kept exquisitely nicely with inside and outside on this car. Moving around to the back, again showing you off those really nice alloys. And on the back of this facelifted 4 Series, again you do get sharper LED rear lights. We've opted to go for the high gloss rear spoiler and matching diffuser of course. Whilst you take a look around the boot space, it is of course worth mentioning we're now offering and running the click and collect service here at Your Next Car. And to find out more about that service, simply follow the links down below in the description. Also alongside that, from the website that you'll be taken to, you can see more about this wonderful car, including all of the prices and funding options available, not just for this car, but of course you can view all of our other wonderful examples. We'll take you through onto the interior now and begin with the professional wide navigation and media screen. We'll also start the car up. In terms of using this screen, it is of course controlled down here by the iDrive scroll wheel. There is a wide array of nice things to use, including the sat nav, which utilises real-time traffic information to ensure you're on the fastest route possible. Going through back into the main information screen, we'll go ahead and have a look at the vehicle status. Everything is highlighted in green. The next service is not due for 19,000 miles time, and that is thanks to the fact we've just carried out a service on the car, bringing the car up to full service history. Prior to that there were 2 services carried out at BMW. In terms of connectivity, you've got both comms for Bluetooth and of course Bluetooth audio. There is also DAB along with the USB AUX and the wonderful Bluetooth and music collection systems. We've got down here the dual climate controls along with our switches for our heated seats. So there is a look around another very nicely presented 420D M Sport Coupe here at Your Next Car. I do hope you've enjoyed the walk around. Most of all though, we do of course look forward to seeing yourself very soon. Again, if you do want to find out more or simply get in touch with us, simply follow those links down below in the description. Thank you very much, take care, bye bye.